NASDAQ 100 drops pre-market. This is Chris Lewis from FXEmpire. Taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. Looks like we're going to be a bit negative at the open on Tuesday as New York comes on board. But quite frankly, this should not be a huge surprise considering that the Federal Reserve has a meeting the next day. And that, of course, will have traders a bit cautious, I suspect. Ultimately, though, this is a scenario where traders will continue to look for some type of value, and they may just get that opportunity here in a moment. The 50-day EMA underneath should offer plenty of support, and the 16,950 level offers support as well. The NASDAQ has been in a nice grinding channel for some time, so there's no real reason to suspect that's going to change. But if it does, then you just look for opportunities. This has been as steady and predictable as it gets in the market. And therefore, until something changes, you have to assume it's going to remain the same. If we can recapture the 18,000 level just above, then I think it opens up a move back to the highs. The question now isn't so much as to whether or not stocks could go higher. It's how hawkish will the Federal Reserve say its position is on Wednesday. If they sound a little bit more hawkish and more likely to stay elevated with their interest rate policy for longer than Wall Street anticipates, then that could be negative, but I think it would be short term as the Federal Reserve has willingly admitted that they'll be cutting later this year. So at this point in time, it's just a matter of finding a pullback that you can take advantage of and then just simply buying this index because momentum is the main driver of the NASDAQ. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe.